Hey everybody, it's Dem here. Today we're gonna do a little bit of foraging. Um, let's see what we can get. Mainly what we're going for, some bulwark crests, war god crests, life drain if we can get one or two, but primarily the first of these size shield crests so I can get a second set. Alright, let's get into this. I don't really I only keep certain ones. I mean, Self Destruct, Flame Guard, Scorch, Heavy Blow, Slow Down. I probably should keep Slow Down, but I usually don't. And, Stone Skin. Let's see. Come on, give me something I can use. Alright, level 4 Sprint. Eh. Blade Shell, it's garbage. Garbage. More garbage. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see. Use tenacity here and sprint crest. Nope. Um, Garbage. More garbage. Man, this is a bad run on forging so far. Usually gotten something good by now. Scorch. Scorchy scorch. There we go. Scatter. Da, 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 da. Garbage. And more garbage. Man. This is turning out pretty bad. But it is random, so okay. I can use that. No. Well, we're getting a bunch of sprint at least. Alright, there we go. There's bulwark. I do need bulwark. Alright, there's another deadly strike. Another sprint. More sprint. Alright, another scatter. Come on, give me some war gods and some more bulwark. Give me that side shield crest. Something. Alright, there's a war god. Garbage. More garbage. Stop giving me garbage. Alright, another level 4. Gives us 10 of those. Ooh, don't want to do that. Stop it. Thank you. No. This is nonsense. No. Negative. No. Stop. Damn it. Well, this is ridiculous. No. Come on. Give me that side shield. Oh. No. There we go. Life drain. Alright. Let's not say anything to jinx ourselves. A few more to do. That'll be about it. Let's see. Oh. Alright. Could give me a few of the first one. I mean, I guess the first one's the difficult one out of that bunch. Last one. Oh wait, no. I got a couple level 2s I think I can do. Alright. Hopefully we get something useful. That is not useful. Come on. Ow. Alright, well that'll about do it. Stay tuned for more.